I want to introduce you to a game-changing product that's revolutionizing the world of manufacturing. Our very own RHS wire EDM stainless steel bench vise, model RHS-W5983. Precision, reliability, and versatility all rolled into one. That's what this stainless steel bench vise brings to the table. It's designed to cater to the exacting needs of wire EDM machining. And here's why it matters. Our RHS-W5983 boasts an accuracy of 0.05 mm per 100 mm. That level of precision ensures that every cut and detail is executed flawlessly. This vise is adjustable, accommodating clamp sizes up to 214 mm. Whether you're working with small parts or larger components, our vise has you covered. It's suitable for wire EDM machines like Sodic, Makino, and GF Eggy Charmills, making it a versatile addition to your machining arsenal.